Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to access developer tools in Chrome browser. So let's see. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three dots, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here and then go to more tools. From more tools, simply go to developer tools. And it's going to open up like so, and from here you can begin to read any page of your choice using this particular developer tool. There are console right here, there are element section, console, source of a page, network, etc. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply access developer tools in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.